Purchasing a new dishwasher is very, very difficult. Obviously, there's so many different makes, models, bells and whistles. It all depends on your needs. If you're a household that has 4 kids, running back and forth between soccer and football and things like that, you want a reliable dishwasher that's going to be able to get the job done and done right the first time. When looking at dishwashers, you're going to want to look at a couple different key features. You're going to want to have a dishwasher that has a good sanitize rinse feature, a dishwasher that may have an adjustable top rack, so if you do have things like larger cups or plastic things for like the kids' bottles, things like that, and also possibly a third rack. The third rack is very nice for grilling items, utensils, things like that, chopsticks. On top of that, you're going to want to look at a couple things when purchasing a dishwasher in your kitchen. In this kitchen in particular, we have a full standard 24-inch dishwasher. One of the biggest things that I believe that is crucial is looking at the actual height. The height on a dishwasher varies, and if your cutout is not tall enough, that can also cause issues getting a new dishwasher in. Prices on dishwashers range from $700 to $1,200 and up. You're going to want to possibly look at Consumer Reports for the best dishwasher that makes fit for you.